represent?
And what is my up in here?
What this represent?
One man there at the door.
Stop it! Wait, say?
One man, he did there with a Shay. And I want to think of a white car. And Shay come to do one of the bag them, the shopping, not the way my bag them, look for $50 bag them.
Okay, me tell them say them bag the Shay about things them in most half does not them share work with.
When we come out, we let her I'm 30 no man, I see me think foreign I have a jar bag.
Yeah, a pull man, you know, one suitcase. Sister, lie me I tell.
I'm 30 years when she call somebody phone. I'm 30 years say make she sleep with you now. And you say sleep with who?
And when me they go do fair the night?
Alright, the night now you say we're ready.
Hey people, so what they on the market today? Come the man, hurry up the man. You not going to come to know the procedure. Shana and Kay, me not talk about Shana and Kay, me not bring Shana and Kay. Me not bring them, me not bring no destruction in a summer. Me not bringing no destruction for me in a summer. Me not talking about Shana and Shay and Kay. Me not bringing no destruction in a summer. Not the Sardine not chat me. Sardine supposed to chat me, not see how me a crash her. She gonna want chat me. She want chat me for even in a sign language. Yeah. If she don't want nobody care about her name. Then what away Mrs. Zozo. Zozo, come here. You see you, are you a keep back Britney in her life? You, Britney birthday, you want bad up Jaden to play a match with Britney. No man, on the entitled. Eh? On the entitled. Remember you teach, right? Look here, I'm not going to bring them out to me today. Today is not the day. What do you mean I teach you? I don't teach people nastiness, you know. Any nastiness you don't learn is going to develop it. Don't tell any lie. I don't even talk about man on my program. This is a strict program. So don't tell no lie on me talking about I taught you. I taught you what? Huh? I'm a decent sitting side. Jaden at 25. Jaden look like 25. Jaden a favorite rat, but like if you like fire in a cave, you see Jaden fly out. Eh? I don't know how me love that ugly boy, but I pay ugly things me love. I'm going to some comment section and they say, no man, she be really love Jaden. I don't know how to answer that, you know, because I want to wrap up, you see. But I don't want to wrap up, you know. You know? And it got turned out to be true. So she be, you know, want the rat bat? No, I don't want the rat bats. And Shay did a look, then Shay did a look, my man. Hey, listen, you see me not just people, you know. Yeah, oh, Shay did want me and my man and she, the three songs. Yeah, but yeah. Figure it out, Marvin, one have to say about the argument. Figure it out, same one Marvin for stay in place. Stay in place, Marvin. You have to take what the highlight from figure it out. And then mix up here. Was it a voice note? Figure it out, Ibania Tribal Series. Where Ibania Vex and Ibania knows it's not legal. But figure it out, I got Rosalie party. After figure it out, Ibania Candy. From Ibania dash for the boy belly. That's it. End of discussion. Chapter close. Eh? I una alone by false narrative. You know see them here Sunday matinee. 25 inside, my love. I tell him go wash him food because he don't feel well. He look like him have gas. I tell him say him eat too much and too fast. Yeah. After Ivan can't go, he don't look like figure it out I go for now. He don't look like figure it out I go for now. Then somebody just send me one video with Annie face favor shoes bottom. Annie face favor like it walk out. Annie says she have a young boy. Annie can't walk a bill series. We tell her Perry when you need him. And when they tell her Perry say, oh, yes, the new Hollywood, it's just that we are bum and suck it. Eh? It's just that we are bum and suck it. Oh, yes, the new Hollywood. Them say figure it out, drop down last night. So you know, say everybody a drop. Everybody a drop. Yeah, a price. Things soon get cheap. So London never drop down too. London never drop down an Emmy for putting pan her back. So who did they when figure it out? Lord Jesus, where's Diamond when you need that? Diamond! 25! 25 is the Diamond! Awesome. Then where's Diamond? Then Diamond hear about this? She busy across Jaden. Diamond you hear about this? Diamond attend to the sick. I true them and now cook, you figure it out again. When them I used to cook the whole of maybe your food, you figure it out. Him did that come on, eh? Him did that come on. The little boy did that come on. Him did that grow. Boy, me not telling a lie. Them I used to get up all the morning time. My first relationship, me say, somebody drink all red pea soup in the morning and it's not overnight. Them I get up early and cook like a beach trip. Yeah, you don't think them a sell lunch at school gate. For sure. Then I can't hear from Anna and Redans. I wonder what going over the side there. Hello? Wouldn't you see the Ants family? Them quiet tea like them a wait for come out in a midsummer. Can't deal with it tonight. Better them come from now. Who a look place to rent? Diamond and figure it out. Diamond figure it out. Gone back then I born in go mad. All the Ants family, them a look place to rent and nobody know want to rent them. Oh Lord, this is the reputation from the app. Father God, cover my reputation under your blood, Jesus. Don't make it be like Shana Chin. Cover my reputation, Father. Me no want my reputation be like Shana Chin, you know. Yeah. Them fight too much, man. And them get it from my inheritance. I don't know why Redance work. Then she will go to go work. She will go to go work for Redance. It's enough we go work for a man. Lord, me used to do them something they say. I could have leave the boy in the bed, lock up the house, gone with the key, make sure so the remote they head. You know, look after him food. A prison. I was a warden, you know. It looked like the community, you know, one honor them. Vanny one king, so Vanny and King never did that. Them not do video together. Them not co-worker, them not porn star. So what you mean Vanny one king? What kind of mix up this year? Bring Ivan name over here so before you make mine make Ivan, you make ice cost me now. Wanna stop calling up people, Lord Jesus have mercy. Stop calling up people name now. That's the same reason why Maya come out and pretending and then not let TJ. I don't blame Maya, trick the crowd, that's how we do it. Trick the crowd, we are. Trick the crowd. Trick the crowd, we are. Trick the crowd, yes. So all of who did say, Maya girl will have her head pan her body, man. See there? And all of it, you see, this is the most important thing. You see, sometimes it, and I don't blame Maya for sticking on to TJ, but they just tell the crowd why here. You know, of course, the body can't look so good. It would have hurt me if when him come him dead and done. It would have hurt me for just one pop him off, you know. Hey, TJ have a healthy piece of body. I not like TJ. I want to respect you for me see your body. I them some of me have manners, you know. Yeah man, them some always me have manners. I say from I see the body more I respect you. I want to call him Mr. TJ. I not feel no way, but I have to express myself. I love things say me I'm a good friend. You know, I can't express myself because I'm close to enemy than friend. Oh, yeah. So I can't express myself without guilt. But I see why you not let go. I could have cost you. I now got to tell like more than you can't come back on the app and tell girls say you hit the fire. But lies, lies, lies. Yeah. Now ask you. But I wouldn't. Shana Chin a witchcraft. Shana Chin now work no witchcraft. Let me tell you that. Shana Chin ain't working any witchcraft. Me now ask you. Shana Chin now work no witchcraft. Wanna stop buying to foolery. Shana Chin just want to be known. No witchcraft. I mean now gonna entertain no obia argument. Something like that you know bring pan the app. And K must understand. You don't bring that on the app. So all of the rebuke and the rebuke and the rebuke, it doesn't change that different because you cannot rebuke and a cuss bad word. You cannot rebuke without anger. When you practice too much over upon the app without even knowing so not practice over. Certain things me not run down, you know. One of the things you think Shana Chin burning the bag is witchcraft. Witchcraft is K being on the app, not being sanctified. You can't fight witchcraft being open. Nobody never tell you that yet. And everything are fun and joke, my babies. The internet is done as corrupt as anything else. Why would I want to bring something on that and start rebuking when deep down inside me know me and God not have no relationship? That's why the scripture said, we have a farm of godliness, but we're not godly. It's just a farm. Let me say this to you guys. You see, I I want to say something from the other day to the whole of you know. You see the whole of they are foreign, when is a set of hypocrites. All of you where they are foreign is a set of hypocrites. Thank you for the gifts, but I have to tell you the truth. You are hypocrites. I'm telling you why. So much things are happening in the world and we are so distracted. It's the American people and we are sending them $1 and them $2 and them $3. You know definitely say if push come to shove, you know fuss get leak and you make we dirty drunk out here so I distract you from what is really important. You know say a lot of things are going in America, but because we don't care things and time are gonna change. Ladies and gentlemen, the time we still gonna fight and name off one another, I want to reach out a message to Shay and Queenie. Then Shay bed really dip on the ground. Then I so low that tall girl, that tall youth that sleep. I bed really dip on the ground. So I can't bother now. Then Shay out here knows she not start life of foreigner. You know me not play with them something. Me not bother with them something here, man. Shay! Didi say you bed up on the ground. Hey boy, Didi, hey. I want that Didi knows say my friend. Debo is a down to earth, you sleep on. Me not know them say, look here, today is not Shay's day. I don't come to talk about Shay. But the bedpan floor against wall. You know, drink to just sound and link on my mouth. Yeah, I mean, I don't remember the song. Then she really have a receipt and she not have the receipt for the bed below. Mine not China Shay by the bed, you know. Mine is China Shay by the ching lang pang lang pung lang play. King lang lang ying lang dung dang day. Cause Chinese things them up on the ground. Then when she's supposed to religious. She's supposed to religious. Every time she got for her bed, she kneel down. She must be religious. She's a religious bitch. Then is who come from my program come tell me say Shay bed they are going. I can't tell the mix up, you know. I don't like it. I really don't like it. Shay must stop. Didi, don't call up back Shay name in your mouth. On a plan for the bitch. Leave her alone. I can imagine my friend religious family that cuss her. I feel too apologetic now. I feel too apologetic to her. Then for a basketballer eye, she really go so. Then when Shay and Queenie go down her first go down, everybody's supposed to have them spot, then go see Shay. Me I want them Shay go down so. Or she go down so. Father, as I come to you in the mighty name of Jesus. I think it's going to ask for Queenie go down because Queenie already down. I just want to remember I don't know these things that you guys are telling me. So I just try, you know, picture it in my head. It's not like I'm trying to be rude or anything. And I'm not trying to be disgusting or anything, but you guys came on my program and you said to me that Shay is on the floor based on the information Destiny gave to you guys. Now, being that they are living in the EUA, you understand, together, I believe that the information is factual. So that is my reason for, you know, displaying my thoughts in my head, because at this stage, I didn't know that my friend was sleeping on a down to earth, you understand? So she's close to Florence. She is close to Florence. You can imagine when she got bed now. She and Florence just attack. So I don't want you guys to say or state that I am mischievous or anything of that sort, okay? More than my friend is praying. So if I should go into her internet cafe, right? I can't look forward, I have to look down. Look here, when a Shay bed comes so cold, my daughter, I can't believe it. Destiny to lie. At the girl prayer room. At the girl prayer room, you see. Destiny is too lie. Oh, bright and feisty. I mean, no want nobody run with my friend bed. Not care oh low. Can you go? Can you go down low? Me no want nobody run with it. Yeah, I don't like it, man, people. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, children of the Lord, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. And she send me lion, you know. And no say I bed not have no stilt. She know I bed do have no stilt. Down to wedge heel higher than she bed. Wedge heel. Only Destiny really see the bed. I know I'm nervous, you know. So the shrimp money can't buy base. Them say Shay bed up on the ground. Come here.
You see Didi I show it.
Yeah, you sure?
But that them say
In a prayer meeting she asleep now. She's supposed to hold it down.
So why you don't say something while I'm dirty?
Regular supposed to cover. She say the night she show us one wrong house and the house that she show it. Don't say nothing. Listen to what I say. The house that she show in a car never dead there.
One blue car there.
What?
Blue car.
What kind of car?
One blue car.
I don't think me hear you.
One blue car there.
Okay, Shay said she never show.
Shay said to you, you want to show me show us where Jaden live?
What you say, well, Shay say what?
Shay said to you, you want me show us where Jaden live? And you say, yeah, show me where Jaden live. And Shay show you one house with the blue car right in front of the house.
Thank you. How much time she show me?
2 times.
Okay.
And she said, over there, so figure it out, live and when me get a house over the nether part and they put her out.
Rosalie. And wait, Akeem living around there, so Artio.
Yeah, she said the truth.
Yeah, because I lie, mate. Come here. What this represent?
And what is going up in her?
What this represent?
One man in there at the door, out of the door.
Stop it! Wait, wait, say?
One man, he did there with a Shay. And I want to think of a white car. And Shay come to the one of the bag them, the shopping, not the way my bag them, look for $50 bag them.
Okay, me tell them say them bag the Shay have our things them in most half dozen of them Shay walk with.
I said to you, so when we come out, we let her out, I told you, no man, I see, I think foreign I have a draw bag.
Yeah, a pull man, you know, one suitcase. Sister, no lie me I tell.
I'm a turn to you, so when she called somebody phone, I'm a turn to you and say, make she sleep with you now. And you say sleep with who?
And when me they go do fair the night?
Alright, the night now, you say we rent to a place.
Da da
And who are we going to spend the night with her?
Da da do.
And you say you want to follow your girl for trick and you don't give her a surprise to buy a slippers gear.
Sharon! Sharon, I'm pregnant, you're pregnant. No, mama. When we buy the jerk chicken, Shay make you could buy none. In a Shay little purse, what?
No tacky.
Empty.
Yeah, you say you can't take the way they share how she live. And you have to put her, you have to make sure get somewhere.
Okay, don't make it sorry for the night.
Yeah. And you call me the man and say you have to look for the place.
Da da dee, da da.
And you say you want to go up a half a tree up at the store, up a half a tree.
Up a signature.
Yeah, I buy 2 nice slippers here.
I lie me I tell, remember me a liar and Queenie talk about say me hate Shay because me ask Shay for show me with Jade.
No lie, you never.
Me never drunk the night.
Yeah, you drunk because when you drive.
Oh, drunk.
And you turn to me and say, oh, me can't make shit. Me not make sure them knows for me live.
Okay, da da dee.
And you let her have Shay up the song. Shay no come down.
Right a dingy night, don't.
Yeah.
And Shay remember dingy night. Shay remember dingy, the name dingy. So it says Shay, when me hear you say, Shay I look for information so till. No up a your yard me turn when Shay drive off.
And you turn and say to me say, me say you have a big bed in them and you can't make she sleep with you. Because she call on the person phone and I'll get the person.
She call downtown and a trip about Harborview, remember?
Yeah. Like she said she call me say her auntie or cousin or something like so. No
Harborview and now get her.
Yeah.
And she forgot town go sleep. Adios, adios, amigos. And the man would never leave up. Don't think they look tacky. Don't get the information why the man sit down on her. And she had to give the man the key and some money. So when she come attack, and of course, And you know, so she that try to chat the man though. And about like in something like something, but too me intoxicated, like she said. It can't go on, you say, him too much is something.
And me turn to you and say to you, say, when you come out, when you let her off, and she drive off, and she not even know the place good.
What I say to her, say, don't I say me and my friend couldn't wait for chat Shay when we let her off? Didn't I say that? Didn't I say that? Me not tell you, say, me have to throw money in a Shay vehicle.
Yes, you have money in a vehicle.
You see, say, no lie, me I tell. So I tell her, she say, no come about me because she not have no character. Oh. Tell her not come about me because she just busy. Don't I say, come up and stop. And she said, no, I'm gonna in bed. Was I going to stop? You know me now stop at people yard. You know me not like.
One thing with you, you're not stop. You run a joke, but you're not stop. Because I was saying that you want nobody see you.
Exactly. Did I ask Shay to show me spot Jaden later?
No.
From we enter, we not even need remember talk through.
Shay turned to you and said, but I'm sure it's where Jaden live.
Okay. And after she said so, we say when we come back, Shay tell we both figure it out, Rosalie. And
she said, I wrote this, so Rosalie get to her house, that scheme this so.
you did hear one argument when she said Diamond have whole heap of she want to.
No, she said to you.
Yeah.
So like you said, Diamond have whole heap of thing. But she can't wait me, the bus out. In her phone.
Da da dee, da da do. Donkey want water, him have to pull him through. So it's when time Queen is long about, look what you never like Shay, you could have pies of Shay. I wanted Shay to have the best time in Jamaica. That's what I said. You know how far me and my friend at chat say? Me and my friend at chat say,
no, when you
Jay
come with her, me never had her come.
Yeah.
And you turn and say, come now, come.
Yes.
Me and my little friend, you say,
Yeah.
come now.
See there?
And you turn back and say, boy, I never want to go to me alone and Shay.
Thank you. Didn't I
come with me?
Didn't I say that? You see, if me and her alone did go now, she'd have all sorts of lies to tell.
But I never love her.
And I may force you.
Yes, okay.
See them? You see it? Sister Nalai, me I tell, she need to stop. Yeah, she need to stop. One thing with me, this is not a big case, so I tell lie. You understand me? This is a petty case. Me no need for tell lie. Number one, me no need for know what Jaden.
I mean, said to you and turned to you and said, but I never see foreigner come down yet.
Before you reach this so, you did hear the argument where she had talked about Jaden and Akeem, and she said Jaden had to change his vehicle. You did another argument there? When she said Jaden have to change his vehicle because they put money on him head and they want to kill him. You didn't hear the argument there? Well, I never me and you, I did me and she, and must say Diamond and me, she alone. Yeah? Me now ask him, when I go out for have fun, I go out for have fun. Them can't tell me when me have fun. Me alone can have fun. Me alone can have fun. Me now ask you.
Remember when you go to show the exact how much money you pay for one
okay.
You know?
She said in high heels shoes.
You know where high heels shoes go.
Shay outfit look. Tell them how Shay outfit look. Tell them what don't
Shay in a 3/4.
No.
Shay in a sweatsuit about too much four. You come from foreign.
And it's short.
Yeah.
Like she play
four.
Yeah man, like she play football with water. Now ask you. Now ask, and Shay face big. She have a big face and a big head. Shay face strong. I tell you say it's not like me I tell. And Shay Air Force 11 dash way. When I say one dash, I mean it one take. Shay just did look like a mucko she come from and you put her together. You know, like rural country. It's true. Nothing about her I never really. She said I'm not lying. I don't have any reason to lie on Shay. But when Queenie started to lie on me based on what Shay tell her, me not run them joke.
One thing with you, you talk about man, but one thing with you, you're not bright up so.
Yeah, me?
Yeah, 30.
No, tell her not come about me, my baby. Yeah, she broke. Me say she broke. Me say she digging her purse by the she digging her purse and come up with zero tolerance. She digging her purse and her purse not big enough.
Come here, beg you to make she sleep with you.
Sleep with who?
And you say no.
Sleep with who? Sleep with who? Sleep with who for house? Space in who for toilet? Eh? You must be mad.
And I mean tell her tonight, I call her friend out if she alright.
I mean no say she gone down her man yard. Gonna suck him body.
Because I call her friend out if she alright.
Queenie, she says she and Queenie they on phone all the times, every time. All when we are drive, go and come, all I know, you not even know.
No, go so.
Okay. Them little bit and lie, you see?
I think you buy a gas put in a way because we stop at Fesco. We stop at Fesco.
Jesus, me not even remember say me did buy gas.
Yeah, you buy gas because we stop at Fesco.
Jesus have mercy. See there? Me not even remember say me buy gas. She say me drive out her gas. Me not even did remember say me buy gas. I buy gas for true because she came to me with the vehicle and
I just stop at Fesco.
Me not even did remember.
And the people that take picture.
She say me drive out her gas and I'm still put some money in it, leave some money in the vehicle. Me still leave some money in the vehicle.
And she go with all the crab.
Talk now? Talk now? Come go with fair one first and she go back with mine. Talk. Me not even remember all of them something there. Somebody said she did have money to buy gas to begin with. And could buy jerk chicken? I E with that drive the vehicle got a port more pan. Don't you?
Yeah.
I E. She don't know about vehicle. And me look on the gauge. You like me I tell?
Yeah.
It's me look on the gauge, the gas gauge. She don't know about vehicle. Me not understand. We have to out of your mouth. And me one thing with me. You say me go in your vehicle. Me I go look for your needle. Remember me a driver. Me I go look for your.
First you ever look on.
When I go in your vehicle, me I look for your needle.
Yeah, that's the first
And
thing
the
you ever
first thing I look for.
And you're not driving everything with the pan 2 bars.
2 bars. Me not doing it.
You're not driving. You prefer stop on gas.
Me not drive 3 bar vehicle and 2 bar vehicle. So when she talk about say me drive out her gas for the entire night.
But I know she carry up at the place. So if you drive out she carry
Thank you.
gas. And know she carry up there.
Thank you. But I'm done my gas and she a drive. She don't know how to drive people. Me say she a
But
drive.
they must say she make you go over so with her. Go over
Thank you. She a drive the vehicle, you know. When we got robber, she a drive the vehicle, you know. And me say with them she.
But you're supposed to drive it out because she want to go out and you are spend.
Thank you. Me say
So you're supposed to drive it out.
she flick the indicator, you know. You see as she comes up, look now. She flick the indicator and just go over something. Me say Jesus, I'm here. I sit down there so. And when I looking at myself, I say, but I'm near the star. I say, pull over. I say, give me this. I so comes me take the car from her. I say, give me this. I say, it go hot for me. For see me careless enough. Yeah, for make she drive me. And make me get all whiplash. She cannot drive.
She know how much energy. You're supposed to drive it out after she don't know what your energy.
And from Lucky Crabs to Rabal at 10 minutes.
Remember say a white rum she drink?
Yeah, white rum shake. After she don't know nobody. She not used to life, you know. She not used to life. She don't used to life. Oh. She not used to life. She couldn't even order half of the menu. Cause she don't know the things them. She don't know the fandangles. Yeah. That's why I tell you, say, little girl, anything where you tell Queenie because you want Queenie continue to clean the house. Yeah, a company you have Queenie as. But tell you, say, I not have to tell no lie. You show me Jaden live in and out, twice you show. And none of we never ask her, because none of we never have no interest.
Tell the you want situation, I'm sure Jaden live.
Yeah, no care how she a chat, Jaden go and a chat, figure it out, them and a chat. We no business with where them want to live. True or false? Oh, we no business. And Queenie come and talk about me vexed with Shay because I asked Shay.
Well, I know say Queenie never bring up the nobody who know say go over there, so.
Jesus.
Any of them never bring it up, nobody will never know. Can you come on live and you don't make nobody know say go over there. Nobody never know. And she bring it up.
Queenie too outer order. Queenie too outer order and Shay too careless. She is too careless, you know. She too careless. Nobody would have never know say. She tell me this. Nobody would have never know say. Me go over there. Nobody would never know. Nobody would have never know. Up to today, not even Jaden would have know.
Because you and Jaden are live on live.
Me and Jaden, that me say. Me and Jaden depend live numerous times. I mean not even make no form of indication to say well me I try. You know, hint him for say XYZ. Never, because it's not my business and it's not his business. It's nobody's business. You get what me I say? It happened and it just done. It did right there, son. Yeah, just did right there, son. And nobody business. But no, you sit down and you tell the Queenie one whole heap of lies. One whole heap of lies you sit down and you tell the Queenie. To me look bad, you and Queenie can't make me look bad because you and Queenie a dog, one a dog and one a shit. Put them together you get dog shit. Oh, I still want to use Queenie teeth and tweeze out the 3 white ear them when I'm a body. I want me to say, bright.
But them supposed to know you.
And he said,
One thing with you.
You're
not even interested in other people.
Thank you. Me not even go people place. Me not go people place. I remember one time I did on live when Jaden just buy Shay ticket and Shay said she come to Jamaica and Shay said, oh me I come at your yard and me get serious upon her and say, hey girl, let me tell you this. Me not run them joke there, you know. Turn up a oofa yard. You want me diss you? None of you remember when me diss you for my life. And Shay run the joke with me and say, Shay come at my yard, then tell me dip on the fridge top. Me and Shay not friend. Shay not have my number. Shay not care how you see. We go, Shay not have my number. See how you saw? She have my number? No. Shay not have my number. Me and Shay not them friend there. That's why I say Jaden an idiot. Jaden deserve everything when Shay give him. Because you know the couple hate you from day one.
Sorry for you.
Thank you.
Y'all tell me plan what you want to do for you.
Thank you.
What do you think you say you want to do for you, you know?
Shay, sit down and say me could have pies now with the food.
Pies for?
That was the intention.
All you say when I say like what people are big tap and eat that you have help her.
Exactly. Exactly. You hear? Me dey here talk.
You tell me say a surprise you give her because when you say you're going to do it, you say nah make sure know you give her a surprise.
Okay.
And stand there and go there.
Okay. I lie me I tell. Me tell them say everybody who me ever defend under her always turn against me. I lie me I tell. Everybody. And she make the narrative seem as if me
but Shay should even follow you. Because
I didn't say anything about Shay.
You don't say nothing about her. We attack her reality.
Me just simply say Shay, Jaden lick you with the streaming wall. Him take that one yeah.
Yeah, that's not supposed to make you yeah.
You see, let me tell you something about me. I can be nice and I can be extremely naughty. You see, I only can give you what you give
Friend,
to
let
me.
me tell you this. You see, you is a different person. You're totally different from everybody. People place you in a run go. People yard you don't want to know. One thing with you will run a joke. But remember when you come out to all pass a crowd of man, they say you're not pass.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're not pass.
I respect you.
Yeah, one thing with you.
Respect you.
Yeah.
I always give people them respect before them respect me. She can tell you. If me go upset you, me not walk you there because you can't lick me and me go tell you the things them and you worse I go upset. So you know me say respect.
And you know Christian people, you there start talk your life is why you did. And you ask about tomorrow you don't know.
That's what I tell him, say, I can't remember.
It's totally
He said, I can't remember. Yeah, my friend. I can't remember. Coming at if you remember, so we stop at the gas station, you know. Because when she had that bus, say, him drive out my gas.
You don't drive on the gas. When you there, so you say you stop at Fesco.
Thank you. See, them not even remember. Me not
when you
remember.
come out of the car, the people say, can I get a picture of you and Shay together, Shay?
Okay.
And you buy the gas.
Me not even remember them party, you know. Me not remember them party. Me not remember them something the people. Because it wasn't that serious. That wasn't the night. People don't know if to differentiate. You understand me? If no care how we are enemy and we mix up, it's if you go yes for have fun, have fun. It's not about coming here to discuss what we had
and you,
prior.
When you are go, nobody can buy you nothing. Because them can't buy for you. Nobody can. Me your friend and me can't buy for you. And never yet offer your NSC offer you nothing.
Thank you.
Me your friend.
And it not bother me though.
It not bother you.
Don't always say you can't buy when you want.
Yeah, right.
So if you ask me say
always.
what you want, never say. And you're gonna say no man. But it's true.
That's how you'll stay.
I'm always tell the people in this. Shay Ella say me live for my neighbor.
If you live for neighbor, yeah. If you live for neighbor.
My mama. Me I come the peeps. Shay say me live for my neighbor. Them not have no relationship with nobody.
Shay not even want to fight. Remember Shay not know where you live, you know? I know Shay don't know the gate or the number, you know.
Thank you, that me tell them.
You don't live off of people.
Thank you.
Because when you buy your thing, them enough.
Okay. Thank you. Tell her
Right now, sometimes I have to come done with it when I'm ready.
She don't know nothing about me, anybody. Nothing. You see me? Let me tell you why them stay so. I don't kiss and tell.
Alright, remember the time when you go with Daima?
Yeah.
What if people you want to come?
Yeah. Yeah.
And when you go, you say, boy, you go make them order what them want.
Anything
what them want, them go get it. And I say, boy, I can't come. Because remember, I 40 everything people here, so.
Okay.
I don't get to come.
Because you know we don't have more fun.
Yeah.
You know we don't rock the night.
Yeah.
You know we would rock the night. Me I tell you.
So when and you say, boy, you order for them and anything them want, them will get it.
You see it? Sister Winnie, you see it? I mean not talk them something upon the live, all I know. All I know, me not talk them something upon the live because let me say this to you. You see what you do for people?
You say one of the time they don't go on party.
Yes.
And you say you not go.
No, Shay look at Diamond and say, he not go come.
Yeah.
I'm saying no, I ain't going. I said no, I ain't going. I ain't going. Yeah. So you see it? Me not ask you no. Me not have to tell life and Shay. Me not have to tell. Don't me a boy we can party. If me ever party for happy kind of people, them think a difference. Ma they lie me a tell? Oh.
But remember when you go to them, you know, and you turn to me and say you go buy it. I'm just saying, no man, what clothes you have in there?
Okay.
Or what do you can wear you have?
Okay. Okay.
And you won't go buy sneakers so much millions.
Okay. Okay. And I mean, let me tell you something, Maya. You see me? You said me go somewhere for have fun and support you. Me just want to come and have fun and cut. Me no know nothing we going into the party with the next morning.
Yeah.
What happened in Vegas, stay in Vegas. I don't care about that.
Shane will say you're the person when you're shopping in a price.
Exactly.
We got a place go buy fish and the fish come too much money. And we are to say, really buy that?
So this cover say, the clothes we buy we know wear none. We wear buy we now wear.
And the amount of sneakers we have in there.
And people would never know.
No.
Remember when you come for the first shop?
At the same time, when you go buy sneakers at 2, you buy.
At 2, 3, 3 footwear.
And clothes, and me say, no man.
Exactly. And you say stop. And you say stop. Look how much things you have in there. Stop. Shay, what you know about me? Eh? What you know about me, Shay? Shay, not true you see me sit down on the fridge top, Shay, God bless me tremendously. Not true you see me sit down on the fridge top. God bless me. I see she see me on the fridge top and talk about me I come to Jamaica come give you 20 grand. Like me an idiot. Hey girl, you lucky say me you did green and I should have from this some rub you out, you know.
She can't spend for you.
She cannot spend on me.
She can't spend for you.
Jaden want a fish and the fish is 10 grand because they not have no baby.
Everywhere you going on. And when you get tipping them, maybe you have to say, what do you?
Okay. 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 10 grand. Shay could never spend. I couldn't make Shay partake in the bill. I couldn't make Shay contribute to the bill. She wanted me to buy the fish for Jaden. You see how evil the girl be? Me invite you.
Go up to her. She said she wants some things. Like she wants season and something for go up.
You don't tell her.
And you turn and say, no, so me go buy them fair.
Yeah. Talk truth. Me never did that cost Jaden. Don't me just say, imagine, Shay come stay with Jaden and me not even make the girl have a good time. No, that me did that say. I never know say Shay mash up the boy car.
I let the turn and say for true.
Yeah, me say then oh somebody for come look for you and you treat them so. Me say my man careless and worthless in a man. And I say, Alicia, me go do this for you.
I say you go do this, say you go up so by.
Yeah.
Slippers fair.
And my dad say, you know, say me go give her when she go away back, me want to go to that for the last time.
The last time.
To make sure really have that memory there. And that me say, am I lying?
True, that is true.
So when time she come and go on, she not have no money.
I tell you that, turn to me and I say, why you not like how she have butter all about? You have already place to put her.
Shebada, you know. Shebada the night, you know. I like me I tell you, she never have nowhere for sleep.
I should have called the phone and the person not answer her.
I first foreigner must move in a vehicle for the entire night. She get put out some bad hours, you know. This remind me of foreign when time the girl left put out the man them in the snow. And me, Shay, I say me I go rent somewhere for you. Me I go make you have the best time all the next day.
Yeah, so the whole of we are go there.
The whole of we are go
spend the night with her.
Go spend the night with her. The whole of we.
You say the whole of we are go there. Spend the night with her.
And that me did it. I say.
So you say you not tell her you give her a surprise.
Dep on the phone and on Air B&B.
Yeah.
No, I'm not asking you.
And the girl did get all Air B&B with all pool.
With all pool in night.
So she will spend for you.
But me not talk them something there. I'm glad I never and not me attack them something here. In the argument within the time when me and Shay cause when that say I lie, me glad that she who did there remember some of the things them we chat behind Shay back.
No, my phone a call.
Thank you.
And tell me say you go wait me fair.
Okay.
You go do this here, you go do that fair.
Okay. Okay.
And you always say she's a girl you like. You don't
Okay.
like her.
Okay. Okay. No, me and you did forget after 3.
Yeah, me and you.
Okay.
And you know say whenever me postpone it, I go.
Da da dee.
I remember say me postpone it, you know.
Da da do. Yeah. So you see, me not deal with trivial matter. You see, if you invite me, alright. You see, if me and you go party a night, my duty is not to delve in your business. My duty is to take you as how I get you on that date. You get what me I say? And for me, you want to know about it. It's not a counseling session. You understand me? So me don't need to know about nobody's life and nobody's business. We go for have fun, make we have fun. All we must talk about is the night when we go. It shouldn't be a talk like this to say, move from here, so remember you show me this, remember you show me that.
But she knows that say stay.
Exactly.
Remember the people come and say yeah back Shay. So she's supposed to know the boy I say stay. Remember you get only part when me for Shay now.
Exactly.
Say yeah back her you know.
Okay.
You're not tell her the truth. Remember people tell us you're not tell her the truth.
Okay. Okay.
So she shouldn't even make it reach so far. Between you and her.
At that me say.
She shouldn't make it reach so far.
Me say, is it from me say no Shay, Jaden lick you with a one year man with a streaming wall.
Remember she said to you say, call it for your phone. I
say Shebada, you know my things,
yeah.
my skin thin.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say alright then my baby. You know?
Shouldn't reach so far. I'll come show you carry feeling to Shay.
Yeah.
True Shay no show you spot Jaden live. But Shay done show you spot Jaden live already.
Shay show everybody which part Jaden live.
Jaden ya give you already.
Oh. You never did when she talk about $2 million argument.
No, I never did it.
Me say. No, me I tell you the truth. Actually, me not take.
Me know when she say figure it out, live over there. So
Yes.
Jaden, no, she said Jaden living at the scheme of figure it out.
Live.
Live.
And have to move.
And have to move.
Because
of them have put money on Jaden. Yeah. Yeah, Jaden have to move.
Yes, sister, we can't remember the things because we don't have them to the pan practice. We don't have them the pan practice. We don't, so we never even remember. I'm telling you something. People, I'm telling you something. It is easy to look for me wrong, you know. Because I said, everybody said this about him, but you don't know me and everybody don't
Why
know
share
me.
you show me that scheme the car for I born I never go put more.
No.
And you leave me.
Me can't even find back me where. If anybody did that sit down and I say, and I analyze and I say this and I say that, me not have to tell lie on Shay. Shay will tell lie on herself. Me not have to do that. And why would I be so wicked to tell lie on Shay? If me did out for Shay, me that make Jaden know say Shay show me where him live.
Nobody not even have that pan practice.
Nobody not put that pamper. Shay too mixed up and Shay's evil.
I'm tell you what I not like. Everything what Shay do, where Shay knows say a lie she tell she will go tell Queenie the lie.
Yeah,
them.
they lie them. Yeah.
Because all that. Why you go and tell Queenie that?
That
Shay?
is what?
That is what? You should never go and tell Queenie that.
That is nothing.
That means say you that plan up like him, Shebada long you never like him, then if this never come out. You never like him, Shay. Reality. Because if you go tell Queenie that and Queenie never did in the car when we in there.
Bell is true. It's true. She do some unnecessary chattings. It's true though.
Yeah.
Unnecessarily. And she not care who they do when she attack. Am I lying? She talk anything.
Yeah.
She know the man in the back?
No.
She know who the man in the back is?
She don't know.
Okay.
And the man can come talk to.
Okay. But she has spill beans. She has spill beans. These are the stuff I'm talking about. But you see, it's easy for you to say, Shebada chat too much. Me know if I talk. Me know if I talk, I get where I come from. I tell you, say, me steer killer in them face and step past them. Oh, me steer killer in them face after them do them job. And step past them. And them never hear a word breathe out of my mouth. And me not have to chat nothing. Me not have to chat nothing. She chat too much. She can't cuss me. Oh, she for cuss me. She can't cuss me. She for come to Jamaica come be that little boy. She can't cuss me. Yeah. Then oh
She a cuss you now?
I don't know. Somebody say she cuss me. She can't cuss me. She for come to Jamaica come be that little boy.
She know everything everybody are talking
Yeah.
to. She too lie.
Bigfoot little slippers too lie.
That's why we don't know thing when she be out when people are being liars.
I be a liar. At 14 years now, Shay have want some information from Jaden, Dr. Man, and can put it out all now. By now, the Dr. Man must dead. Yeah. She is a little wicked and evil. And when them a get back them evilness, them a look pity. Shay is evil. Shay is evil. I mean, know how to deal with Shay. That's why when everybody at about you don't tell her the truth. Una not tell her the truth. Una never did I tell Shay the truth. Una try toe to toe with Shay. You don't do that. Alright, me done. So all cheese are come at tell me for done. Me done.
Cheese ever done?
Yeah, me done. Alright, happy kind of people, I'm finished. Me done. Me love you guys. Me love you guys. Stay blessed. Keep sweet. Live, laugh, love.
I want to TikTok lie everything you in now.
TikTok liar there?
Wait a minute, TikTok lie what are you?
There's a TikTok liar there. I mean, look at this. Me love you guys. Cheesy blase, say me for done, so me I got done. Me I got done. Alright? Yeah. So I love on me. I go and drink with my friend now. And then